Welsh medium secondary school is a natural progression for your child if they've started in a Welsh medium primary school.
O brofiad personol, mae mynd trwy ysgol gyfrwng Cymraeg yn helpu ac yn hybu dwyieithrwydd. Mae'n gwella sgiliau bob dydd ac mae'n creu siaradwyr llawer mwy rhugl.
Yeah, Welsh medium secondary school is really important to the development of any child's language skills and their appreciation of the culture that they've become part of in learning Welsh, in terms of the world of work and what your children are able to do when they're 16, 18, their confidence and their ability to be able to step into jobs where, Welsh language skills are important. There'll be so much more if they've had that extra 5 or 7 years in Welsh medium education.